So, got down the road literally to like the grass right there, like a second, and the front felt dead. And I do this. Where is it? Bam! Look at that, boys and girls. Got a nail in the tire. Great. So I'm going to patch it and get air in there. And we'll be back in 10 seconds. And that's a lie. More like 10 minutes. Alright, welcome back, boys and girls. The front is now patched. And we're going to try and actually ride now. I'm so sweaty from working in my leathers. But thankfully it happened at home. Well, I found it at home. I wonder where I picked it up, man. A little tack. Oh well. Seems to be holding air. We'll soon find out if I did a good enough job. There's a car coming. Hold up. Hey bro, question for ya. Is the 101 this way?
101, I'm actually 101.
We want to go to Santa Monica, so 101 south.
That way. Just go here, take All-Star, and then make the left on Woodman, and all the way down Woodman, we'll go on your right side.
Okay, man, thank you so much. See? We're learning the area. We don't need no fucking GPS. Come with me, buddy. Tire patch is good, bud. Yeah, man. So now I'm staying in Castaic, Culver, Huntington Beach, and North Hollywood now. Is that dope? All right, we had to take a little detour there because the freeway was closed, the exit we needed. But we're at my old hood. I was down here last year for a couple months, Culver City. Nice U-turn. Sprinter! Yeah! Yeah. That's a personal use Sprinter. That's how I want mine to look. Just like that. Yeah. And I gave him the thumbs up and he gave us the rock on symbol because he knows we know how dope that thing is. It's like a Sprinter thing. When you're in your Sprinter, you all give each other like a thumbs up. Turn it right here. Haha! See? Go straight here, it's a one-way. Oh, that works too. This just in. Double. No. There's always somewhere to park. Like right here, bud. Yeah. Look at that cute dog.
You look at him and he's all like, what?
Yeah.